Hello everyone and welcome to Spread Mathematics. Myself Dr. Pinky Gupta. Today we are going to discuss about different types of numbers like that natural numbers or we can say positive numbers, whole numbers, negative integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, real numbers, imaginary number and complex number also. Now let's start with natural numbers or we can say positive numbers also. Natural number is an integer greater than 0. Natural number can be represented by capital N or capital I plus. The elements of natural number sets 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. Next one is whole numbers. Whole numbers is a set of integers which can be have 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. and notation is capital W. Negative integers. Number is an integer which is less than 0. It's started minus infinite to up to minus 1. The symbol of negative number integers is I negative. Integers, this is a set of whole numbers. We can represent the set of integers as capital I or capital Z also. This number will be started minus infinite to plus infinite. Rational numbers. Rational number is a number which can be written in simple fraction like P upon Q form, means numerator upon denominator. Here denominator should not be 0. Otherwise it will be infinite and it's a undeterminate form. We can represent the set of rational numbers as capital Q. For example, 3 upon 5, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, etc. Irrational numbers. Irrational number is a real number which cannot be written as simple fraction P upon Q form. Irrational numbers can be represented in only decimal form. We represent the set of irrational numbers as Q star. For example, pi square, under root 2, under root 3, etc. are example of irrational numbers. Real numbers. The definition of real number is any number which you use normally. This includes all numbers like whole number, integers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers. Every real number corresponds to a point on the number line. We represent the set of real numbers as capital R. Infinite is not a real number. Imaginary numbers. The definition of imaginary number is any number when squared gives negative result or value. We represent imaginary number as small I, where I is equal to under root minus 1. Complex numbers. The definition of complex number is a combination of real and imaginary numbers. Example, 7 plus 3i or 4 minus 3i or 6i also. Real part can be 0. We represent the complex number as capital C. C equal to a plus ib, where a is real part and ib is imaginary part. And a and b both are real numbers. And I equal to under root minus 1. Here is Venn diagram of number sets. N is a subset of whole number. Whole number is a subset of integers. Integers is a subset of rational number. Rational number is a subset of real number. And real number is a subset of complex number. And irrational number set is a subset of real number. Real number is a subset of complex number. Rational number and irrational number are different sets. They don't have common element. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Please like, subscribe and share Spread Mathematics. Bye bye.